Today I'm cooking a simple crispy fried fish with sesame seeds. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of tilapia fish, clean and score on both sides, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 60 ml of cold water. The full list of the ingredients is in the see more link. Prepare about 1 kg of cooking oil for deep frying in the pan. Switch on the heat and set the time for 10 minutes to make sure the oil will be hot enough. While waiting for the oil to get hot, marinate the fish with salt. Salt the fish and rub it in between the cuts and all over the skin. Turn the fish to the other side and repeat. Make sure to add some salt to the stomach and marinate too. Alright, the fish is marinated. Leave it aside. Put rice flour, wheat flour, corn flour and baking powder in the strainer. Sieve the flour and stir to mix. Add in sesame seeds. Now whisk them all. Add in 60 ml of cold water. Continue to whisk until well combined. Alright, this consistency is perfect. Put the tip of the wooden cooking chopstick in the hot oil. If there are bubbles forming up, it means that the oil is hot and ready for deep frying. Since we made just enough batter, it is not enough to submerge the whole fish to coat it. I am using a brush to apply the batter to the fish. Make sure to get in between the cuts and in the stomach too. Alright, the fish is coated with the batter now. Let's go and fry it. Place the fish directly in the hot oil and let it cook for 7 minutes or until cooked and crispy at the bottom. Don't move or turn the fish during these 7 minutes as it is still stuck at the bottom of the pan. Once the fish is cooked, it will separate from the bottom of the pan on its own. Remove any batter droplets from the pan as they can easily burn very fast, affecting the taste of the oil. After 7 minutes, the fish is cooked, the batter is also very crispy, and the fish has separated from the bottom of the pan. Flip the fish, cooking for another 5 minutes or until cooked and crispy on the other side as well. After 5 minutes, the fish is completely cooked. Remove it from the hot oil. Rest it on the cooling rack to drip off the excess oil for a few more seconds. Serve the fish with rice, fresh vegetable, and spicy Sambal Belacan. Let's eat! Oh wow! This is great! It's tasty, tender on the inside and very crispy on the outside. It goes so well with rice and the belacan. Delicious! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!